Something massive is happening inside Apple's secret labs, and this time it's not just another chip or incremental update. We're talking about a complete reinvention of Apple's smart home ecosystem. Over the past few weeks, leaks, internal memos, and global inventory shifts have all pointed to one thing. Apple is gearing up for its biggest hardware rollout of 2025. And at the center of this storm, two of Apple's most underrated, yet incredibly important hardware devices are about to make a powerful comeback: the Apple TV 4K 2025 and the long-awaited HomePod Mini 2. The calm before the storm. What's happening inside Apple? According to multiple industry insiders and a major Bloomberg Power On report by Mark Gurman, Apple's fall lineup could kick off with 3 new M5-powered devices, possibly the M5 iPad Pro, M5 MacBook Pro, and Vision Pro 2. But here's where it gets really interesting. Behind the scenes, Apple is silently prepping its smart home duo for a surprise launch that could completely redefine entertainment, sound, and AI integration in your home. It's the first major Apple TV and HomePod refresh in years, and all signs, and from retail inventory, dips to supply chain leaks, indicate that a launch could be days away. That means we might be standing just before one of Apple's most unexpected and exciting product waves yet. Apple's fall 2025 lineup, their boldest move yet usually. October is Apple's Mac and iPad month. But this year, Apple seems ready to go beyond tradition, combining M5 power, Apple Intelligence, and a new wave of AI-first devices into one synchronized ecosystem. Here's what Apple insiders expect to see on the 2025 roadmap. M5 iPad Pro, blazing fast. Apple Silicon and a stunning OLED Ultra display. Vision Pro 2, Apple's second-gen mixed reality headset with sharper visuals and better comfort. Apple TV 4K 2025, a major performance leap powered by AI and M5 architecture. HomePod Mini 2, upgraded sound, smarter sensors, and built-in Apple Intelligence. AirTag 2, new UWB Gen 3 chip for next-level precision tracking. M5 MacBook Pro, a true professional beast optimized for AI workflows. According to Gurman, Apple plans to roll these out in phases, starting with Macs and iPads, then quickly shifting focus to the home ecosystem. And if history has taught us anything, when Apple starts clearing inventory, new launches are never far behind. Apple's classic launch clues, the inventory trail. This is where things get exciting for Apple fans who follow the patterns. Retailers in the US, UK, and Canada are quietly reporting low or disappearing stock for the Apple TV 4K 2022 and the original HomePod Mini. That's the exact playbook. Apple followed before dropping the M2 Mac Mini, Apple Watch Ultra 2, and even the M3 iMac. When Apple inventory dips on, something new is loading. And this time, it's looking like the Apple TV 4K 2025 and HomePod Mini 2 are right at the front of the line. Apple TV 4K 2025, the future of home entertainment. The Apple TV 4K has always been sleek, stable, and powerful. But the 2025 model? It's shaping up to be something far beyond a streaming box. Here's what's expected from this next-generation powerhouse. 1. M5 or A19 Pro chipset. Apple might bring either its A19 Pro or even a trimmed-down M5 chip into the Apple TV 4K, a massive jump from the A15 chip in the 2022 model. This upgrade would unlock 4K 120Hz HDR playback, real-time AI-enhanced content, upscaling faster app loading, and smoother gaming performance, basic spatial computing capabilities with Vision Pro. 2. Apple Intelligence Plus. Siri 2.0. Imagine a Siri that understands context. The new Siri could recognize your voice, predict what you want to watch, and even adjust smart lights or your HomeKit setup automatically. And the best part, all processing happens on-device, ensuring total privacy. 3. Console-level gaming. The new Apple TV could ship with up to 512 GB of storage, full controller support, and exclusive Apple Arcade titles optimized for the M5. It might quietly become Apple's stealth gaming console. 4. Sleeker, cooler, smarter. Design. Expect a more compact, fanless build, inspired by the M5 Mac Mini's thermals, with magnetic cable connections, better wall mount options, and passive cooling for silent operation. 5. Next-gen connectivity support for Wi-Fi. 7. Bluetooth 6E and ultra-wideband UWB could make it one of the most connected entertainment devices ever, syncing perfectly with AirTag 2 and HomePod Mini 2. With these upgrades, the Apple TV 4K 2025 isn't just a streaming device. It's the brain of your home entertainment system, powered by M5 and Apple Intelligence. HomePod Mini 2, the AI heart of Apple's smart home small. Powerful, intelligent. That's how Apple could redefine the HomePod Mini 2, which may launch right alongside the new Apple TV. Here's what insiders are saying. S9 or M5 optimized processor Apple could give the HomePod Mini 2 a serious speed boost, allowing instant Siri responses, smarter sound calibration, and personalized voice recognition. Smart environment control built-in temperature and humidity sensors, now fully functional, could automatically adjust room conditions via HomeKit, syncing with your Apple TV or iPhone. Deeper, clearer, immersive sound. New audio drivers could deliver wider stereo separation, better bass, and directional sound mapping. Paired with multiple HomePods, this could create a 360-degree cinematic sound field in your home. Matter, UWB, and AI integration. The HomePod Mini 2 might act as a Matter hub and UWB beacon, linking every Apple device in your home for instant synchronization and spatial awareness. Privacy-first intelligence. Unlike Alexa or Google Assistant, Apple's AI works locally. Your commands stay private, processed entirely within your home, fast, secure, and invisible to the cloud. Together, the Apple TV 4K 2025 and HomePod Mini 2 could form the backbone of Apple's next-gen smart home experience. AirTag 2, the invisible upgrade while smaller in scale. AirTag 2 might bring one of Apple's biggest under-the-radar enhancements. A new UWB Gen 3 chip could allow centimeter-level tracking accuracy, faster updates, and integration with Vision Pro's AR environment, letting users see their lost items in real space. That's Apple's next step in Find My Plus evolution, a smarter, more aware home ecosystem. The M5 ecosystem, powering everything. Everywhere at the heart of it all lies Apple's 2nm M5 chip. It's faster, cooler, and AI optimized, designed to run not just on Macs, but across the entire Apple family, including your living room. Imagine this future. You walk through your door. Your AirTag detects your arrival. HomePod Mini 2 adjusts your lighting and temperature, and Apple TV 4K greets you with personalized entertainment suggestions, all running seamlessly, powered by Apple Intelligence, completely private and lag-free. That's the smart home vision Apple has been building toward for years. tvOS 26, smarter software. Smarter living with powerful hardware comes smarter software. tvOS 26 could introduce a redesigned home screen that evolves with your preferences, Apple Intelligence-based recommendations for shows, music, and games, facial or device recognition for personalized user profiles, Game Mode 2.0 for ultra-low latency gameplay, spatial share, syncing HomePods for surround sound experiences together. This makes the Apple TV 4K more than a device. It becomes a personal AI assistant for your entire home. The battle for the smart home. Apple isn't alone in the race. Google is embedding Gemini AI into Nest, Amazon is revamping Alexa with generative AI, and Samsung is integrating Galaxy AI into SmartThings. But Apple's counterpunch is unique, a privacy-first AI ecosystem, unified under Apple Intelligence and powered by the world's most efficient chips. If executed well, no competitor will match Apple's cross-device harmony.